Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 7th of February. And first of all, national news. Rajya Sabha cleared Water Amendment Bill 2024. Bangladesh Foreign Minister Dr. Hassan Mahmood to start on 3-day visit to India. PM Modi inaugurated India Energy Week 2024 in Goa. PM Modi wished King Charles III's speedy recovery. PM Modi expressed condolences for Harda cracker factory mishap, announced financial support for victims' families and injured. Union Minister inaugurated first ever BIMSTEC Aquatic Championship in New Delhi. India wants friendly ties with other countries but no compromise on border security, Union Minister Amit Shah. Jammu and Kashmir Local Bodies Laws Bill 2024 taken up for consideration and passing in Lok Sabha. International news. US to roll out visa restrictions on people who misuse spyware to target journalist activists. Forces on alert in Pak Sindh, Balochistan after violence ahead of polls. Kazakhstan president dismissed his cabinet. Russia and China slam US airstrike in Iraq and Syria at UN Security Council meeting. Spanish farmers protest high cost, bureaucracy, and international competition, block traffic on major highways. Russia claimed to destroy Ukraine launch drone attack over its southwestern region. Now some sports news. All India Football Federation planned to hold Super Cup in Football Association Cup format from 2024-25 season. Ranji Trophy Baroda won 3 points, consolidates top sport. Trust the coaches and the process. Rohan Bopanna pleads patience from parents of young sportsmen as way forward. Very close to making it to the top 100, India tennis legend Anand Amritraj hailed Sumit Nagat. Now, business related news. India to see investment of $67 billion in next 5 to 6 years in energy sector. PM Modi. Government to lease out around 1 million ton of strategic crude oil reserve capacity. Oil India looking at return to Libya after 2011 exit. Paytm CEO Vijay Shekhar Sharma in talks with RBI on regulatory concerns. HDFC Bank got RBI nod to acquire up to 9.5% stake in ICICI Bank, 5 others. And that's all in news. Thank you.